provides us with another easy and delicious recipe that your family can enjoy anytime, any day. Chef,
Yes.
meron kaming Christmas get-together ng mga high school friends ko. So, ano pwedeng ko dalhin for them?
Okay, Len, pwede mong i-prepare ang dish natin today. Ito ang baked potato with cheesy and bacon. So I have here 2 potatoes. So ang ginawa natin is hinugasan lang natin at kinuskus lang natin para matanggal yung dumi. And then I have here some melted margarine. We're going to wrap this. And then we will bake this for 45 minutes in the oven for 350 degrees. Okay, so ready na yung ating baked potatoes. So ang ginawa na natin is, tinanggal lang natin siya and we let this cool enough to handle lang. So medyo malamig-lamig na siya. And we're going to place this in our serving ware, topped with some toasted bacon. Gagamitin na natin ngayon ang ating Magnolia Cheesy Squeeze. So we're just going to drizzle some cheese on top it off with some chopped fresh parsley for garnish. Ngayon, di na kailangan ng bread knife or kutsara to add the delicious cheese taste of Magnolia Cheesy to your sandwiches or favorite dishes. Magnolia Cheesy Spread now comes in this new handy and convenient Magnolia Cheesy Squeeze pouch with resealable spout. All you have to do is twist the cap and squeeze out Magnolia Cheesy Spread. It's so easy and fun to use. And it comes in a doy pack that will not break, kaya safe even for kids to handle. Kaya go ahead and squeeze the cheese with Magnolia Cheesy Squeeze. Len, ito na ang ating baked potato with cheesy and bacon.
Wow, Chef, sigurado magugustuhan ng mga friends ko. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kaya tutok ka for more easy and delicious recipes on araw-araw.
Sarap mag